Hey guys, wanna know how to add squad members in Steampunk Frontier? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application. And once you've done that, in order to add or create a squad in Steampunk Frontier, you can do it in two different ways. One way is to simply invite your friends. So just simply select your friend list right here. And once you're there, you should be seeing your online friends. So just simply select the plus icon when they're idle. Another way is to join anonymous squads. So right here you can see find teammates. Just simply press on it. And once you've done that, here you can see various options to could join. So right here is Steampunk Frontier. And you can just join any one of these right here by just clicking on the empty slot. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You can also select recruit and make a squad yourself. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.